Unlocking the mystery of question marks. Hello, English language learners. Today, we are embarking on an exciting journey, exploring one of the most basic yet incredibly crucial parts of English punctuation, the question mark. It may seem simple, but the question mark plays a vital role in our communication, and understanding it fully can drastically improve your English language skills. So, let's dive in. A question mark is a punctuation mark that you typically see at the end of an interrogative sentence. Its main role? To indicate that a question is being asked. So, if you ever see a question mark at the end of a sentence, you immediately know the sentence is asking something. Simple, isn't it? But there's more to this handy little symbol than meets the eye. The primary purpose of a question mark is to turn a sentence into a question. By placing it at the end, you're signaling to the reader that the sentence is asking something, not making a statement or giving an order. But that's not all. The question mark can also express uncertainty or doubt when placed at the end of a statement. For instance, you might write, "She was born in 1985, to express that you're unsure about the information. Proper use of question marks is key in English writing. A question mark is used at the end of an interrogative sentence, like, "What is your name?" It can also be used to form tag questions, like, "You're coming to the party, aren't you?" It's important to remember not to use a question mark for indirect questions, such as, "I wonder if it's going to rain." Here, despite the sentence being about a question, it's not asking one directly. And there you have it. We've unraveled the mystery of the question mark. From indicating an interrogative sentence to expressing uncertainty, this simple punctuation mark has a range of uses. Remember, mastery of punctuation marks like the question mark can enhance your English writing and comprehension. So, keep practicing. I hope this video was helpful, and you now feel more confident about using question marks in English. Keep learning, and until next time, happy writing!